Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make an effective pink lip balm, and I'm going to be using some very unique ingredients as well as our Dare Caro White to help us create that lightening effect. So stay tuned. We all know that shea butter is a very strong moisturizing agent, which is very concentrated in fatty acids and vitamins that, basically makes it a very good ingredient when you want to make things to soften the skin, anti-inflammation, to heal the skin, like when you have chapped lips and all of that. Shea butter will help you, give you that result. So that is why we're adding it here, and I'm going to leave all the measurements and everything will be in this video, so you definitely want to watch this video to the end so you can see all the measurements that I use. We are also going to be using olive squalane, and olive squalane is a natural emollient. It smoothens and softens the skin. It is very similar to the oil that the skin produces. So I'm using it here to enhance elasticity of the lip, basically help the product spread properly, and also it has healing properties as well, and it protects against moisture loss, so you have a moisturized lip all day long. We're adding that here for all that benefit. And then we will go and dissolve this in our double boiler. Okay, so I know a lot of you are going to say, oh, what did you add here? What is this? You didn't tell us what this is. Calm down, okay? This is an amazing recipe on its own, but if you want the advanced recipe, the one that is way more advanced, then you have to subscribe to our Patreon account. When you subscribe to the priority tier, you get access to 2 exclusive videos every month. You get blog posts, you get to ask questions, and so many other things. So definitely subscribe to the priority tier or the priority plus tier if you want our ebook as well, and you will be so happy you did. Okay, this recipe is amazing on its own, but we have the way more advanced recipe, and that's what you're paying for. All right, thank you. Okay, so while our other phase is cooling down, we are going to make the main part of this product. So here I have this Caro White cream. Now this is a proper way to make your whitening lip balm. Okay, your lip balm, definitely you want it to whiten your lip, and so this is some of the best or the fastest ways to lighten your lip. But we are making this other part of the formulation because we want to have a very safe product to use. All right, so I'm going to go ahead now and add this. See, it's sealed. I'm going to open it and add it in. So here, this is it. Now I'm going to add contents of this cream into this container. We are also going to be using Vaseline, which is Blue Seal petroleum jelly. This is also for moisture. All right. So now we're going to put this aside and then go on to measure our glycerin. This is glycerin. We're going to add our lactic acid and also add our kojic acid in here. The lactic acid is for exfoliation, for dead skin on your lip, to exfoliate it, and then the glycerin or glycerin is a humectant, which is also what we're going to be using to dissolve our kojic acid, which is our whitening active, as well as the base cream that we used here. Now you can go ahead to use any whitening base cream. You can even use any of the base creams that you learned from the class, and you will still get a good result. So here is our kojic acid. We're going to add that much. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take this time to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I put out a new video. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share this video, leave your comments, and yeah. Now remember that we have kojic acid in here, so you don't want to heat it too much so you don't kill the kojic acid. So we're going to add that in. And then we're going to give that a stir before we bring in the other ingredients. Okay, so here our waxes and oils and others have been in the fridge for a while. It's still warm, so I'm going to blend it now to create a butter or so. So I'm going to put that in and blend it and I didn't show you where I poured it, but I just went ahead to pour this contents into the container, and that was it. Unfortunately, I didn't know I wasn't filming. So here, poured it in. Make sure you scrape everything that you can out, because so I'm going to go ahead now and blend everything together. So we have the pink tint, we have the red, so you can either use any of them. Sometimes I like to use the red because it gives a nice color. Now these are food coloring. You don't want to use mica powders and all. These are food colorings. If you have the lipstick tint, you can go ahead to use the lipstick tint. So I'm just going to drop them in tiny bits. You can also mix it up. So I'm going to drop a little bit of this. And then blend it to see the color it gives. See, it gives a nice pink. Okay, now I'm not satisfied with that, so I'm going to go ahead and add some of the bloody red, which is actually more pigmented. I'm just going to add that in a tiny bit and then see how it goes. Yes, see that? Now go ahead and scrape your container. And there you have it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Like I said earlier, you can now subscribe to my Patreon account. You can get 2 exclusive videos every month. These videos will not be available on my YouTube channel, and even if they are available, they will not be the full advanced recipes. So if you want to get access to my advanced recipes that you can use to sell to your customers, definitely subscribe to the priority tier and the priority plus tier to get access to these videos and so many other things, blog posts, tips, and so many other benefits that comes with this subscription. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.